away they go. Deceiving from the outside. Witness in Manila. Queen of Class on the further outside. Moving up is Chekong's Best. Deceiving by about 2 lengths, followed by Witness in Manila. Chekong's Best running down on the inside and moving up in between runners' knees. Alongside is Queen of Class. Chekong's Best knees in between runners. Alongside is Deceiving. Queen of Class racing forward by about 2 lengths. Witness in Manila running by the fifth and Arithmetic. And during the far turn, knees Deceiving, Chekong's Best. Queen of Class racing on the outside forward and getting closer as they race the last 500. Still 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Now we have 4. Deceiving, Queen of Class, Chekong's Best, knees as they race the final corner. Deceiving, Queen of Class running by the roll. And as they race the last 250, Queen of Class is now the leader. And on the outside is Deceiving once again. Deceiving, Queen of Class down on the inside. And nearing the finish line, Deceiving, Queen of Class, Witness in Manila. And at the finish line, entry number 11, Deceiving, Queen of Class, Witness in Manila, knees close. Number 6, Divine Wisdom and Chekong's Best.
Okay, 11, 10, 9,